In this video, you'll learn how to fix slow responses from Kimi AI. By following these steps, you can enhance the performance of the application, leading to a smoother experience. Start by opening your preferred web browser. For this tutorial, we will use Google Chrome. Once the browser is launched, locate the address bar at the top of the window and type in wl.google.com. After entering the URL, press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the Google homepage. Next, look for the three vertical dots located in the upper right corner of the browser window. This icon represents the menu. Click on it to open a drop-down menu that contains various options. After the drop-down menu appears, find and select the option labeled Privacy and Security. This section allows you to manage your browser's privacy settings, including data storage and browsing history. Once you are in the privacy and security section, locate the option that says Clear Browsing Data. Click on this link to access the settings where you can remove certain types of stored data from your browser. In the Clear Browsing Data window, you will see different options for clearing data. Look for the checkbox next to cached images and files and click to select it. This action prepares your browser to delete cached data that may be contributing to slow performance. After selecting the cache option, find the button labeled Clear Data. Click on this button to initiate the process of deleting the cached files. Depending on how much data is stored, this may take a moment. Once the process is complete, a confirmation message may appear indicating that the cached data has been cleared. Now that the cache has been cleared, you can proceed to open Kimi AI, locate the application on your device and double-click its icon to launch it. After Kimi AI opens, observe the response times as you interact with it to see if the performance has improved. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.